welcome back to the channel. So today we got a new part to install on the Element. Got this from Team Raffee. These are the aluminum front shock mounts in black. The reason I got these is after doing the new battery tray and laying the servo down and putting the 35 kg servo, I started noticing some flex in the panhard mount on the shock tower side. Showing some flex, and it seems like it was messing with the steering. I'll show you on the bench what I'm talking about. So I picked these up to replace those to hopefully get rid of that. I had a similar issue with the TRX4 Blazer, and I put these exact ones on it, and that took care of the issue. So let's go to the bench. I'll show you the flex I'm talking about, and we'll get these installed. Guys, so here's the parts unpackaged. This would be for your driver's side, because it's the panhard mount. Passenger side comes with some extra screws and stuff. And there it is, Team Raffee. Part number. I picked this up from Dixieland RC. I'll have a link down below. And if we look at the stock here, I'm talking about this piece right here, mount wise, is what I've been seeing flex in. I don't know if I can get it to do it by hand. I might. I'm not sure. I think it's doing a little bit there. I'm going to power up the rig. See if I can center it here and show you. I've limited the dual rate a little bit to assist with not allowing it to do it so much. If I put the there we go, right there. See, it's flexing. I can turn the dual rate down and get it where it doesn't do it as much, and this is a stock remote, so therefore it limits steering. One of my next upgrades for this will probably be a new receiver, so I can put this on a different remote, maybe my GT3C. So we're going to tear into this, get these parts on there, see how it looks, and take it out for a ride. Okay guys, so here they're installed. Honestly, this is super easy install. As you see, I didn't take the tires off. I mean, really, bolt, bolt, bolt. You gotta move your body post over. Same thing here, except for that I do like that you have adjustability in your panhard bar up and down. As you can see, they're not perfectly aligned together. Keeping in mind that my servo's laying down stock, it might be different because the servo's sitting different. Might put that bar in a slightly different angle, but I like where it's at, how it looks. Don't think we're getting any flex, but we'll take it out back and we'll see how she performs. So stick around for that. Our first drive with the Team Raffee shock towers. Ooh, steering seems tighter. So I'm going to use the DSM recovery just because we've had a lot of rain and it's made things slick. There we go. Didn't quite release. We'll get it off there. There we go. So again, I'm going to use the DSM here just because of how dirty the tires are and the rock's still a little slick. There we go. Oh. There we go. First drive with the new shock towers. So there you have it. What do you think? Guys, I love this mod. Steering seems so much better and tighter than it was before. This thing, in my opinion, turns on a dime, and that's with a stock remote. I'm loving this truck more and more. The more little mods I do with it, I think it's got good balance. I can't wait to compete with it. I got competition tomorrow, so you'll probably be seeing some video from that with my Class 1 rig, as well as probably Class 2 as well. Guys, I hope you like what you see today. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. There'll be links down below to the parts if you're interested. There's also a link to Red Cat. I'm an affiliate, so if you need anything from Red Cat and you use my link, I get a commission, which will come back into the channel. Hope you like what you see today, guys. Until the next time.